Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is CoinX and today I've got something exciting for you guys. Two incredible free VST plugins that you absolutely need to try. Whether you are into electronic beats or looking for some unique choir sounds, I've got you covered. So guys, let's dive right in. First up, we have Tech House Drums by Function Loops. Known for their amazing sample packs, Function Loops has now stepped into the world of plugins with their user-friendly drum machine. This plugin is pretty straightforward. You get 8 parts, each triggering different sounds with a simple and clean interface that reminds me of the Arturia Beatstep MIDI controller. It is perfect for crafting those electronic drum beats. As you can see on the interface, with 40 different drum kits, as you can see, you have a wide range of sounds to play with. Some kits have crispy hi-hats and punchy drums, while others offer more filtered mellow tones. One of the best features is the ability to control the tune, pan, attack, and gain for each pad, so you can customize each drum sound to fit perfectly in your mix. And don't forget the FX controls. You can apply a low-pass filter, distortion, pitch wobble, and reverb to the entire kit, giving you even more creative possibilities. Tech House Drums is available for Windows, Mac OS in VST2, VST3, and AU formats. Unfortunately, there is no AAX version for Pro Tools users. But if you're using any other DAW, you are good to go. So guys, I'll be leaving the link in the description. Grab it for free by heading to the Function Loops website and provide your email. It is a fantastic tool for any electronic music producer. So let's quickly have a demo to see how this plugin works. Alright guys, I believe you heard it, and as you can see, each pad, you can manipulate each pad with the tune. You can change the tune of the sample there, the attack, the gain, the pan. And if you want to work on a different pad, you just have to change it from this section. And you can as well route it on different mixer channels with this out, up to 16 channels. And they have the filter, the grid, the wobble, the space, to really enhance the quality of the samples coming out of it. And feel free to try it out. And that will be it for Tech House Drums. Don't forget to let us know what you think about it in the comment section. And that takes us to the next plugin on this list, the Meyer Choir by Somerville Sounds. This plugin is available through a pay what you like model, so you can download it for free or support the developer with a donation. It is described as a perfectly imperfect family choir. The Meyer Choir features voices from John Mayer's family, but don't expect a typical choir sound from this plugin. These samples are heavily processed to create airy and otherworldly tones. There are some unique presets like the Cliff Monks, No Girls Allowed, and Polka Dots, offering a range of unconventional sounds perfect for adding character to your music. On the settings page, you can adjust individual volumes, mute voices, and control the dry and wet mix. This gives you full control over how the choir sits in your mix. The sounds are designed to stretch and morph, creating unique textures as you play different notes. Compatible with all major DAWs, it can work on both Windows and Mac. So I'll be leaving the link in the description. All you need to do is to provide an email to download it. So visit the Somerville Sounds website and get a copy for yourself, and it is completely free. With that being said, let's dive into the demo to hear this plugin in action. Alright, that is it for Meyer Choir's demo. And if you enjoyed what you heard, like I said earlier, the link will be in the description for easy download. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, share your thoughts in the comment section, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for content like this. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.